bheka lana ntwana ungaphingi nami uma iyakalali uma jingelani salukhanda lo cash kanophelelana kana milu phande mawudinga imali Spansula leso album lami elisha no la i-township councillor akusile bheka lana ntwana ungaphingi nami uma iyakalali uma jingelani salukhanda lo cash kanophelelana kana milu phande mawudinga imali Spansula leso Spansula leso amandi le township councillor of which ukuthi it went cold though azange ngiyabo Shashala phansi nekudala yes inja yami ke le yangikhomba yabona ama inga yazi
Ijembu mavovo shout out mavovo
plan ngithola akunakwala
salithenga kuphela
kuphela ngithola so yes
so you are saying the album
yes the album township councillor of which it went gold but you can go check the numbers YouTube then so we are check numbers yabona check it lie to me with Ukinen aka RIP my boy ngithola
don't lie to me
you understand so ugogo nje uyiwani nje ugogo you know sijiva ke ugogo yabona shout out to DJ Sbu some approach eyintwana sifuna ukusempula lento lena sithatha uSbu wathi plus ingoma perfect plus uma winja yami aziye ngithola for free shout out to Sbu so it had before TikTok it had if uyakhumbula bene challenge kuma Instagram uyasijiva ke ugogo yabona mabakora abo shaba abo simple shabalala bebashaya leso style leso sikhathi that's how ingoma went big yabona so yeah man like then from lapho ke Cash Time Live as a company bese owner then njengamajita sathi ntwana njengoba bufuna because of business part ngikhuluma igama layo because mina umuntu ukuthi vela ngimfustana igama lakhe angifuni ukuthi uphume ngomoya wami
within that
we know about that
ngingumgayilo umoya omuhle kanje akadeserve umoya omuhle kaso ukuthi ngamgayawo because of equal izinto uthola ukuthi asisazwana ngazo yabo then because of lokho then but the company still there royalties are coming from my album Scandal Republic bonke ama single abo Marks in yabo so but asikakayithinti nokuyithinta nemali yakhona so
Marks is too nice
surely masibuyela ngazi kuzoba imali but ngiyayazi imali but yesa
I wait I'm going to shoot out now content
I understand asikakabuye